If you're seeing a Base44 502 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. A 502 error is usually caused by a temporary browser issue, cached data, or a network problem, so we'll go through the simplest steps first and work our way through the most effective ones. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and R on your keyboard to do a hard refresh. This forces your browser to reload the page completely instead of using old stored files. Sometimes that alone is enough to clear the error and get Base44 loading properly again. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In the time range, choose All Time if possible, then make sure the options for cached files and cookies are selected. Once that's set, click Clear Data and give it a moment to finish. After that, close your browser completely and reopen Base44 to see if the 502 error is gone. If you're still running into the problem, the next fix is to refresh your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt on your computer and type Ipconfig Flushdns, then press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This step can help fix routing or connection issues that may be causing the error. After that, try loading Base44 again and check whether the page now opens normally. In many cases, one of these three steps will fix the issue right away. Start with the hard refresh, then clear your cache and cookies, and finally flush your DNS if needed. These are simple but effective troubleshooting steps that can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you fix the Base44 502 error, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.